11 Tuesday games, 10 Tuesday plays. It's the top 10 on NBA.com. Shot clock running out. Earl Watson, no problem. Half court, he drains it right before the halftime buzzer as well. Fourth quarter in Cleveland. LeBron James in flight. Number 23 could take off from half court if he wanted to. LeBron leads the way with 32 again for the Cavaliers. At number 8, Mike Conley. Throw it up as high as you want because Rudy Gay can go and get it. Rudy Gay, terrific in the air. And a nice dish here from Mike Conley to set up the big finish. At number 7, it's Nene inside out, muscling the Mavericks with the southpaw spike. It's a nice jam, but the powerhouse Nene gets it done with strength. Number 6, Jared Jeffries. Slick pass there to David Lee behind the back. He takes a bump in doing it, but gets the play done. David Lee, another double-double for the New York Knicks. That lands them at number 6. Top 5 now, James Harden with the hustle play, saving it to who? To Kevin Durant for the jam. Wonderful hustle from the rookie to find the leading scorer for the Thunder, and you know Kevin Durant knows how to finish. Number 4, just check out your point guard. Darren Williams up high with the rebound, one-handed throwdown. Darren Williams, an all-star for the first time, and he richly deserves it. At number 3, vertical leap test for Dwayne Wade. Just goes up with 2 hands and rejects Aaron Brooks volleyball style. Check out the athletic ability from Wade. We went with him at number 3. Why not go with D. Wade at number 2? Powerhouse throwdown up and over Luis Scola. Get out of the way, Luis. Dwayne Wade is feeling it on this night. Way over the rim on this jam. That's number 2. What could be number 1? Well, Shaq's on defense. Shaq's playing point guard. Then dishing to LeBron James, who knows how to toss up the alley-oop, to Anderson Varejao for the throwdown. Check it out one more time. Shaq looking nimble on the block and past LeBron James and Anderson, knowing how to finish the top 10 with the Cavs teamwork, landing at number 1.